So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is day one of designing a mechanical part in SolidWorks. So as you can see at the left side, we are designing this part. So first of all, we have to choose the top plane and then sketch and then draw the three concentric circles. First we have to choose the uh, medium or like millimeters, grams and second, then sketch through the top plane and then draw the three concentric circles at the same origin. So here is second and then third. So now giving the dimensions of the inner first circle, that is of dia 60 mm. So here is 60, and then we are giving the second dia, that is of 76, and then giving the radius to the outermost circle, that is of 46. Go to leaders and change the dimension, give it 46. So now we have to make this circle as a for construction, and then choose the another circle. Then make the center line and make this for construction. And now we have to draw this circle at this point because we have to draw 6 circles by using the feature. So give it a dia 10 and then choose a circle, sketch patterns, and then give it the path. Wait, first of all we have to select the circle, then circular pattern, then give it 6. So here we go, 6 circles are made at the sketch circle. And now we have to draw the 2 concentric circles at this side as shown in the drafted image. So the dia is 14 and then the outer circle is of radius 14. So we go to leaders, radius and 14. And now giving it the dimensions, it is of 32 and from this point to the center is 55. Here we go. So now we have to make the line perpendicular to the another circle, and then we have to draw a circle of radius 10. So we directly give it dia 20. So now we give this circle as a tangent relation, again giving it as a tangent relation. Now we are going to trim. So here our sketch is completed. Now same process we are repeating at the another side. We are drawing 2 concentric circles and give it dia 14 and the radius 14. Now again we are giving it the dimensions from the center is 32 and another is 55. So now we are again drawing constructing a circle of dia 20 because radius is of 10. Now we are again giving the relation tangent to this circle and same to the another circle. And now we are again constructing a perpendicular line from one circle to the another circle. Now again we are trimming. So here our sketch is underdefined, so we are going to define it by making these circles coincidence to the construction circle. Coincident. Same we have to repeat to this circle. Select the circle and the construction circle, give it a relation. So now our sketch is fully defined. Go to the extruded features, extrude it up to 10 mm, and then choose the top plane, sketch, and then convert entities, convert this entity. So now extrude it up to 100 mm. That is now we are giving it a thin feature because we need a hollow from the inside of this cylinder. So give it the dia 100 mm. Now make the reference plane, go to reference geometry plane and choose the top plane as a reference and give it the offset of 50 mm. So now we are going to mirror the extruded boss. So choose the extruded boss, features to mirror this one. So it is not okay, so we are giving the reference from of 50 to 60. We are changing the offset, give it as 60. Now mirror, choose the plane, choose the feature to mirror. Now it's okay, make it okay. So here our part is completed. I hope you like the video. If it is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.